Can a non-South African write grade 12 exams? The short answer, yes, as long as you have some kind of proof of identity. The whole question, is it possible for me to write my grade 12 exams even though I am not a South African citizen? What do I need for this to be allowed? The long answer, yes. You can. This is because of a very important court case in the Eastern Cape in 2019 in the Makhanda High Court. Judge Selby Mbenenge said that all children had the right to basic education in terms of Section 29 of the Constitution, whether they had official documentation or not. He found that clauses 15 and 21 of the school's admission policy for ordinary public schools of 1998 were unconstitutional. Clause 15 said that a parent had to give the school an official birth certificate for the child. And if they could not get the certificate from Home Affairs in 12 months, the school could kick the child out. Clause 21 said that non-citizen parents had to prove that they had applied to Home Affairs to legalize their stay in the country, or the child would be kicked out. Judge Mbenenge said both clauses were unconstitutional, and the Department of Basic Education was interdicted from excluding or removing any child, even illegal foreign children, after being admitted to school simply because the child did not have an ID, a birth certificate, or other documentation. I have bolded the following text for your information. Where a learner could not provide a birth certificate, school principals were ordered to accept alternate proofs of identity, such as an affidavit or sworn statement by the parent, caregiver, or guardian. After that judgment, more than 13,000 undocumented students wrote their matric in 2019. In spite of the 2019 Makhanda Court ruling, it's still not clear whether undocumented matric candidates will be issued with matric certificates. In 2018, before the 2019 judgment, the Department of Basic Education said that in the case of undocumented foreign learners, they would allow these candidates to register to write the examination. But these candidates will not have their results issued until they produce the necessary documentation. Umalusi, the Council for Quality Assurance in General and Further Education and Training, is the body that issues matric certificates. In January 2020, the Umalusi spokesperson, Lucky Ditonyene, said that undocumented learners are issued with their matric certificates with their date of birth rather than ID number. He said that the certificate would be as good as one with an ID number when applying for a job or for university. But higher education institutions require a copy of the applicant's ID, as does the NSFS, National Student Financial Aid Scheme. So the road ahead is still a rocky one for undocumented learners. This may be another issue that will have to be settled in court.